Hello everyone, your Petshia here. Today I am going to tell you how to use the word however. However is an adverb. It comes after the part of sentence that is being contrasted. It can be used in different parts of the class. Let's see the example sentences first. Then it will be clearly understandable for you. I did well my exams. However, I didn't get good score. I did well at the interview, however, I didn't get the job. You can also use it at the end of the sentences. See here, I was really angry. I tried not to show it, however. I observed the class keenly. I didn't get the concept, however. And the next is, however, at the beginning of the sentences. It is not a mistake to use however at the beginning of the sentences. Let's see the examples. However, everyone feels she is an amenable person, Raju doesn't like her. However, people feel it's ridiculous, Sheila wants to do it. After seeing all the examples, you might be clear how to use the word however. But still, let me say once again, we use this word however to show the contrast between two sentences. If you have any doubts still, just comment in the comment box. See you again. Thank you.